In this tutorial, we are going to be looking at how to install Advocate Office Management System scripts. So, as you can see, this is where I can purchase my script. The script just costs just $50. So, if you want to purchase this script, just come to Code Canyon site, then click on Add to Cart. Then you fill the necessary form. After downloading the script, after purchasing it, then you go to your C panel. This is my C panel. Then next, I go to my file manager to upload the script on my file manager. After that, I go to my domain or my subdomain. But here in this regard, I'm using a subdomain, which is this. I have already uploaded my zip file. That is the script I bought. Then next, I'm going to extract files. Then next, I close it. Now I'm going to open this directory, select all, then next I right click to move them to the root folder, then move files. Next I click on the up one level. So I have successfully uploaded my script to my file manager. Next, I'm going to my C panel back to create my database. I click on databases. After creating the database, I scroll down to create the user. I created my database as ABCDEF. Let me say EF user. Create user. After creating my database and my user, then next I click on go back. I'm going to add user to the database. So let me scroll down. I will make sure I select the database I just created, which is ABCDEF user. Here is my database. Then I add. Next, I give up privileges, then scroll down to make changes. I click on make changes. Now I have successfully created my database and I have uploaded my script to my file manager. Then next I go to my subdomain. So next, after going to my sites, all are in good order. Then I click on next. Then I fill the necessary spaces. Here is localhost. Database name is. Let me go back to my database to copy my database name. Okay. That is my username. Let me see admin. First name. Let me see my last name admin. Let me see my email admin@admin.com. username. So next I click on finish. Okay, you have successfully installed Advocate. Now what next is, don't forget to delete the install directory. So I will go back to my file manager. Then here I'm going to delete this. Delete. Let me confirm again. Don't forget to install directory. Yes. So here, then I click on delete. Confirm. So after deleting it, I go back, then go to your login page. So I insert my username and my password. Sign in. I have successfully installed my script. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channels. And if you like this video, please use link in the description to buy me coffee. Thank you. Bye.